Welcome to the Say Goodbye to Summer YouTube Hop hosted by the My Little Scrapbook Store design team. This stop on the hop is Sweet Inspiration by Gina C. In this video, the subject that I'm going to scrapbook is sushi at the lake with my daughter, which is one of our favorite things to do in the summertime. And her favorite sushi roll is called the Sweet Summer Roll, so I thought it was a perfect fit. I used Vicki Boutin Discover and Create for this layout. Here I am matting all the photos in the orange polka dot paper. I felt this would just be bright to make those photos really pop. I started with this sheet from the Discover and Create paper pack, and I used some washi tape across the top and the bottom. I double layered the washi tape with the scallop edge just to give it some more interest. Next, I took the green grid paper and I ripped strips of it to strip across the top and bottom of the layout. Here I'm arranging my photos for placement so that I can start deciding where I want my embellishments to go. This is a pencil case I got from the Dollar Tree. I used it to hold all the pieces from the icon ephemera, journaling ephemera, and the papery pack. At this point, I decided to figure out placement for my title so that I could work my embellishments around it. I'm using a clear ruler from the Dollar Tree. These come in a 3-pack, and I like to use them to line my letters up so I can see where I'm going to place them. These letters are actually from the Storyteller line by Vicki Boutin. They're called Decoupage. And then I also use the letters from the Discover and Create line. All of these products can be found at mylittlescrapbookstore.com. At this point, I decided that I wanted to splatter the background, so I took everything off and I used Picket Fence Distress Spray to give white splatters to the page. Once the splatters were dry, I went back to working on the embellishments. These leaves are washi type stickers from the papery pack. They're almost a very thin vellum-like sticker, and they look beautiful on the page. They almost look like a rub-on. They go down real smooth and they just become a seamless part of the page. I wanted this page to have a really organic feel to it with the green colors and the outdoor images in the photos, so I tried to pull in a lot of leaves. At this point, I decided that I really liked that placement, and I liked the way the leaves were playing with the cluster of photos on the right side. So I grabbed my glue press and tried really hard not to move anything and just sneak the glue underneath to get everything placed. Now I'm back to moving the embellishments around and trying to figure out which ones I'm going to use. Eventually I flip-flop from flowers to butterflies. Then I decide to cut one of the flowers in half and put it up at the top for some balance. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do, but you know how that process goes. You move them around until you find it, and then it just sticks. I was struggling to make a decision on where my embellishments were going to go, so I decided to switch gears and put my title down. Sometimes I feel like when I'm moving around a lot and I just can't make it happen, I'll just stop and switch over and do another part of the page. And then that kind of helps me regroup and look at it and make another decision. Here I'm adding the word roll using the puffy alphas from Doodlebug, another product you can find at mylittlescrapbookstore.com. I added it in because that's the name of my daughter's favorite sushi roll. Now back to the embellishments. Most of the embellishments on this are from the ephemera packs, but the to-do list that I decided to place as a journaling block is from the papery pack. Here I place another one of the vellum stickers from the papery pack. Finally, all of my embellishments are set, and I decide to add a few final touches with the puffy stickers from the same collection. Then I start filling in some of the little spaces with these small flowers from the ephemera pack. A few finishing touches and the layout is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out the next stop on the hop.